Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I want to welcome you to the Autumn Harvest Hop. We are hoping to bring the beautiful colors, smells, and feelings of autumn straight to your home or wherever you're joining us from. Also, a very happy birthday today to Miss Erin Reed, who is the first stop on our hop. At the top of the description box, you'll find a link to the next person in the lineup. I hope you take time to watch all hop videos because we love your comments and thumbs up. If you aren't already a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing and click on the little bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. You can also use hashtag AutumnHarvest to find all of the videos in this hop in order to maximize your chances of winning one of our grand prizes. Some of us might be offering prizes on our channel, so be sure to pay close attention for details. And please check out my description box below. For my project today, I'll be creating this easy joy fold card for fall using the Happy Fall Digital Mini Collection from Erin Reed Makes. I'm back with another card project featuring a digital collection from Erin Reed. Living in Florida, I'm not really that much of a fall gal, other than Halloween, of course. But when I saw this kit, I just fell in love with the designs. Let's take a look at what I printed out. This one looks a lot like chocolate drizzle and makes me want some donuts. After cutting everything out, I decided to try out a new to me fun fold card. Now, I tend to stick with the standard A2 size card, so I'm really trying to craft outside the box, and I am so glad I did. This turned out to be such a pretty card. We start out with a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock cut vertically at 4 1/4. That gives us two 4 1/4 by 11 sheets. We take the first one and score it in the middle at 5 1/2. Then we cut 2 inches off from one end. This will give us a 9-inch card base that is scored and folded at 5 1/2. Next, I'll add an inside layer. This piece measures 4 by 5 1/4 and will give us a small white border all around it. Now, you can add as many layers to each part as you'd like, but I'm keeping this card fairly simple. I'm using my dot liner adhesive to adhere the inside panel in place. Then, as usual, I couldn't get it quite straight, so I'm using my art glitter glue because it will give me that little bit of wiggle room that I so often need. That looks better. Next, we'll add some pattern paper to the outside. I'm using this floral pattern for this card and cutting it down to 3 1/4 inches by 4 inches. I decided I should stick with my art glitter glue so everything is straight, so that's what I'll use to adhere this panel down. Now we'll work on that inner card. Remember that second half of cardstock sheet? We'll use that now. First, I'm scoring at 3 1/2 inches. Then I'm folding it and cutting off the excess. Which means that this piece is now 7 inches long, or 3 1/2 by 2. Then we'll cut the other side down to 3 1/2 inches too. This creates a 3 1/2 inch by 3 1/2 inch card. I'll adhere this card inside of my card with art glitter glue and creating a border around it from that panel that we adhered in there earlier. So the main part of our card is done. All that's left now is some more decorating. I'm taking one of the square card images that I had printed out earlier and trimming off all of the excess white space. This will leave me with a 3 by 3 square image. Now I'm taking some more of the burgundy cardstock that I used for the inside panel and cutting a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 inch mat for the square card. And I'm adhering it all together with art glitter glue. I'd leave it as is, but you know me, I have to add a little bit more. So I grabbed my Nuvo crystal drops in Autumn Red, perfect color, and added a few little dots in different places. So that finishes up this card for today. Since this was so fun and easy to do, I went ahead and made 5 more. And since you watched this whole video, I'm offering this set of 6 fun fall joy fold cards to 1 lucky commenter. All you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below. I'm also restricting this to the United States only, just due to postage costs. Thank you again for joining us for the Autumn Harvest Hop. I encourage you to visit all the other crafters in the hop because I know they will have a lot of inspirational projects for you to see. And I would love to see what you create. So come join my Facebook group, Crafting with Debbie, and show us your creations. I've left a link in the description box down below. Here are some other videos that you may be interested in. Thank you again for dropping by, and remember, if I can make it, you can too.